Okay, these are indoor sowing seeds. We're going to start by growing the brassicas, so broccoli, some cabbages, some Brussels sprouts, and some cauliflower, and some pak choi, because we discovered pak choi at home I think last year. It's absolutely delicious, so we're going to grow some of that. Sowing seeds is pretty much the same across the board unless otherwise stated, in my experience. Seeds go into container, compost goes on top of container, and water, rinse and repeat. I've got my first sort of tray set up. You just need to lightly pat down your cells there. You'll notice that they're probably about 2/3 full, and that's because we're going to cover the top with the remaining compost. So brassica seeds look like that. They look like little balls, and what we want to do is we want to put 4 in each cell. It's a little weird thing that I have, is that you have 2 to each cell, 1 for a spare and 1 for luck. So that's why you have 4, which is plenty of room for the seedlings to grow. So I'm hoping you can see that 4 to each cell. If you get 5, doesn't really matter. That's what you should be looking at. And that's it. I've covered the top with the compost. I've written the label, and now I'm about to put it on the shelf, and hopefully that will germinate. And I'm going to water this probably once a day, once every other day, just to make sure everything's moist and germination friendly. I'm going to repeat this for the remaining seeds, and in as quick as a flash, you'll be on your way to growing your own. Okay, all done. Week 1, our first wave of growing or sowing seeds of brassicas is done. It took me probably about half an hour in total, and if you do the maths, there's 4 times 6 in one, it's 24. 24 times 5 is a bit more than that. My maths is terrible, but that speaks for itself anyways. Give it a go, get stuff in the soil, and yeah, can't wait to see you in the next video.